Number 1. 4 to 6 weeks before your average first frost, choose an overcast day. Number 2. Make sure that the new spot matches your plant's preferences. Remove current plants and then dig the hole first. Water the plant deeply the day before you plan to dig. And carry the plant on your shovel and set it in the hole at the same level it was growing before, and push the soil back in around it and firm gently. Give the relocated plant a deep, thorough watering right away and keep watering until the ground freezes.